y se ve muy claramente la dimensión de la tragedia, pero bueno, también hay muchos momentos donde se puede percibir la esperanza en el futuro, porque lo principal se ha podido salvar. El propio parque y todo esto que tiene muchas posibilidades para el futuro.
We wanted to be close to those affected. That is why we came. With these words, the king closed the first stage of his route through the ground zero of the wildfires, which yesterday began in the areas around Lake Sanabria, Zamora, and Las Médulas, León. Today, it will continue in Verín, Cualedro, and Monterrey, Ourense, and will end tomorrow in Extremadura. The king and queen listened to residents who had lost their homes or their livelihoods, met with mayors to learn about their needs, and expressed their gratitude to all those who had intervened, and continue working in firefighting tasks. At the end of the visit to the Sanabria area, the king acknowledged that the testimonies he had heard from those affected were heartbreaking. In the afternoon, during the visit to Las Médulas, the king stated that there is a lot of effort still to be made by the institutions in order to revive the economy of the most affected regions. King Felipe VI admitted that great effort is needed to move forward in the burnt areas. The fires in the area, still active, disrupted the royal visit in the morning, as a change in wind direction and low visibility caused by smoke prevented them from reaching the Forcadura Canyon viewpoint, from where they had planned to begin their tour with a panoramic view of the devastation. After landing by helicopter near the Sanabria Lake Park house, the king and queen went to the advanced command post, where they received updated information on the status of the fires and spoke with members of the firefighting teams, thanking them for their work, effort, and dedication. Later, they traveled by car to the monastery of San Martín de Castañeda, where hundreds of residents awaited them. There, they met with some evacuees, as well as hoteliers and shopkeepers who have seen the area, normally full of visitors, emptied out. In the afternoon, the king and queen visited Las Médulas, the ancient Roman mining site located in the Bierzo region, which the fire has left almost without vegetation. After touring the area, the king expressed his sadness, but also his hope, since the central part of the park has been saved. The royal couple then went up to the Orelán viewpoint, from where they observed the damage caused by the flames to such a unique landscape. Throughout the day's journey, the king and queen witnessed firsthand the harsh reality faced by affected residents, especially those who lost their homes. Livestock farmers explained the problem caused by the loss of pastures since they had burned, while the owners of small hotels explained that they had been left without the summer visitors who used to enjoy the area. Everyone thanked the king and queen for their visit, as it showed that despite the painful sight of landscapes scarred by flames, the area remains safe for visitors to come, even if only to help local people move forward. During the visit, the king and queen were accompanied by the president of the Junta of Castile and León, Alfonso Fernández Mañueco, the Minister of Equality, Ana Redondo, and the mayors of the municipalities they toured.